All right, since the focus is Bihar, so let's also give you the overall picture of the cases in Bihar. Today stand at 27,646 cases. 217 deaths have been reported in the state so far. We are getting breaking news as far as the COVID situation in Bihar is concerned. Let's go across and get you the latest which is coming in. The government of Bihar has now decided to adopt target testing of coronavirus in the state. Now, this means if a patient shows symptoms, he or she will be tested at the hospital of the district so that COVID hospitals are not overburdened. So far, there are only 4 top COVID hospitals working in Bihar. NMCH, PMCH, AIMS in Patna, 3 of them in Patna and 1 in Bhagalpur. So all the patients from districts were being sent to these hospitals. Now the government is changing the strategy. The Bihar government is also going to upgrade primary health centers for this purpose. The government has now deputed all district officials to include private hospitals and enhance COVID-19 facilities. Now, understand that this is coming in the state of Bihar at a time when the numbers are soaring. More than 1,000 cases were reported yesterday in fact, the entire state. And there is sharp criticism coming Nitish Kumar's way because of the low testing and possibly the time that has been wasted during the lockdown of not enhancing the already very below average health facilities in the state of Bihar. Let's remember there were, in fact, a 3-member committee from the centre which had come under the Health Secretary Love Agarwal. Today he went back to Delhi and he had some sharp points as far as the situation in Bihar is concerned. Let's first tell you what Love Agarwal said about the situation prevailing in the state of Bihar.
जब माइग्रेंट पॉपुलेशन वहां पर वापस गई थी तो स्टेट ने उसको बड़े अच्छे ढंग से मैनेज किया और केसेस का स्प्रेड रोकने में स्टेट काफी हद तक सफल रही। उसके साथ ही जब केसेस की दर वहां पर थोड़ी बढ़ने लगी तो स्टेट ने एक बड़े प्रोएक्टिव स्टेप के रूप में पूरी स्टेट में वहां पर लॉकडाउन इस मंथ एंड तक लगाया हुआ है। हमारा बड़ा क्लियर फोकस है कि सबसे पहले तो हमें टेस्टिंग पर ध्यान देना है। आप लोगों को मालूम है कि अगर कहीं पर भी कोई कोविड पेशेंट पॉजिटिव आए तो एक थोड़ा बहुत डर, एक भय, एक शंका जो होती है उसके लिए एक प्रोएक्टिव वे में कैसे सिस्टम बनाया जाए कि उस पेशेंट को हम लोग इंटरेक्ट कर सकें, उसको हॉस्पिटल टाई अप या होम आइसोलेशन जैसे कि गाइडलाइंस कहती है उसके अंतर्गत उसका ट्रीटमेंट हो सके।
Now, since the time I've come to Patna, I went to NMCH, the hospital, the major, in fact, the main hospital in the fight against coronavirus. We saw there that because of the deluge of the patients and the number of patients which are coming in, the government has divided various districts and they are not taking patients from Patna and adjoining districts. Those patients, if you remember, were being sent to PMCH where I'm standing today, the Patna Medical College. The government said that there is a 100-bed facility which is ready here. The facility was supposed to function almost 10 days back. What we found in this ground report that we are going to show you is more than shocking. Not only is the facility still in the process of being ready, but also the staff is living under fear as many of them are now infected because of coronavirus. Take a look.
के लिए क्लियर कट गाइडलाइन जारी हुआ है बिहार सरकार का। हम लोगों को 5 जिला दिया गया है, भोजपुर, बक्सर, वैशाली, कैमूर और रोहतास। उससे अगर मरीज आते हैं तो यहाँ पे रखना है। पटना, छपरा, सीवान और गोपालगंज। उससे अगर मरीज आते हैं तो पीएमसीएच में भेजना है या पीएमसीएच को जाना है।
Patna's biggest COVID treatment center at the Nalanda Medical College Hospital is full. Patients seeking treatment at the overburdened NMCH are being referred to the Patna Medical College Hospital. As NMCH started running out of beds, Nitish Kumar government had announced setting up of a 100-bed COVID dedicated facility at the PMCH, which was to be fully functional 10 days back. India Today's reality check found work is still going on and the COVID ward will take at least a week before it can receive patients.
10 days back, this was supposed to be a functional facility. It is still in the process of being, in fact, prepared, still in the process of being made ready. There will be 100 beds with the oxygen facility that you can see there on the wall mounted facility. But this would be the place where COVID positive patients will be kept. The government had asked for this facility to function almost 10 days back. and the facility is still struggling to come to the par, to come to, in fact, a place where they can start taking COVID positive patients. At a time when NMCH and AIIMS are full to the brim, the facility there is overrun. This could have been a breather for the patients, but this facility is far from being ready.
Walking through the crumbling infrastructure of the Patna Medical College Hospital, which was established in 1925, we met a nurse and her daughter engaged in an exasperating conversation with the hospital staff to get her COVID test result.
हम जांच करवाए, आज 3 दिन से घूम रहे हैं, बोला कि शाम में 5 बजे मिलेगा, कि सुबह, तो ऐसे करके घूम रहे.
We came here, but when we came here, we spent all of our day, but no test happened. This is the condition for staff nurse. I'm talking about staff, this thing. So you can imagine about the normal public.
Yeah.
Her colleague says many staff members are infected with COVID, resulting in a delay in results. The superintendent of the hospital also confirms it. On being asked about the delay in making the COVID facility functional, the superintendent blames the bureaucracy.
हमारा जो भी सामान आना है बिहार मेडिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर लिमिटेड के साथ है. नए एमडी साहब आ गए हैं, उनको भी समझना पड़ेगा कैसे कैसे क्या करना है. जब कोविड डेडिकेटेड अस्पताल बन जाएगा तो जो एम्प्लॉइज होते हैं लगाने वाले वो आना नहीं चाहते हैं.
The problems at the hospital are aggravated due to the ongoing strike of the junior doctors, who are demanding basics like hand sanitizers at the hospital.
अभी सॉर्ट आउट हो गया है, वो लोग घूम कर देख रहे हैं. देखिए ये जो परेशानी है, इतना बड़ा इंस्टीट्यूशन है और दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा अस्पताल ये 5400 बेड का बनने जा रहा है, तो परेशानी में ज्यादा परेशानी से कोऑर्डिनेशन का अभाव है.
Lack of safety equipment, non-existent protocols and infections among health workers have instilled fear among the staff on duty.
सुविधा इतना ही चाहते हैं कि जब हम लोग कोविड-19 में हम लोग को ड्यूटी पर आया है, तो परिवार के बचाव के चलते हम लोग का रहने का व्यवस्था किया जाए, ताकि हम लोग से परिवार बच सके.
While the Bihar government says it has stepped up its effort in the war against corona, the conversations in the corridors of the PMCH expose them to be hollow claims.
आइसोलेशन वार्ड में वहाँ सुविधा है, कुछ नहीं है. वहाँ यही बताया कि है लोगों की जांच वाच हो रही है.
Vedankit Tyagi from Patna, Bureau Report, India Today.
So this is where possibly 100 patients could have been kept. This would have reduced the burden. But even in the midst of one of the worst spate as far as the coronavirus is concerned, while there are few states like Delhi where the numbers are going down, there is the state of Bihar where not only testing is not going up, but also at this moment there are problems that the people are facing. The health infrastructure totally crippling under the pressure, the burden of the coronavirus.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.